Hi guys, let's go for a bike ride down the trail on the Legacy Park Trail. Let's go, guys. Hey, Dad. We're on 360-degree video. I'm gonna go for a bike ride. There's Arla's bike. I bought this bike from my friend Raj. It's been a while since I biked. Okay. Okay, guys, here we go. I think I need air in my tire. Oh shit. I need air. I need air in my car tire too. We'll just go for a little trail run. Hello.
Oh, hello.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
I scared the Canada Post lady. So on the left there, if you look on the left, there's beach volleyball you can play. There's on the right here, there's a parking, and if you look, there's bathrooms on the left here. And then on the right there's a gazebo for if you have a party. My mom, Lise Holton, and Mr. Blazy and others in St. Paul in the late 80s developed this park in St. Paul, Alberta. It's called Legacy Park. If you look to the left, you'll see the water park. It's great for kids. And on the right here is Upper Therian Lake. Lots of birds are here. So if you look to your left, you'll see there's the water park, and there's also a exercise gym area. Yeah, I need to get air. I think I have a pump somewhere. I'm getting tired already, my legs. But anyway, I hope this is working. There's a nice, oh, there's a ball in the water. So if you have virtual reality goggles, put them on and jump onto a stationary bike and pedal and see how if it looks cool or not. I have to, my startup for this is called Second Nature, and oh, I'm tired already. And I got to figure out how to make it interactive. So hello. make it interactive where the frame rate of the video speeds up as you pedal faster. Let's go in here. Legacy Park is on Lakeshore Drive. This is Lakeshore Drive here. Anyway, this is a good test. I'd like to get a whole bunch. I'd like to get a whole bunch of trail bike riders around the world with their own setup of a helmet with a 360 Samsung 360 gear camera, video camera, and going through trails and have it available for second nature customers using their treadmill or their stationary bikes. If you look to the left, that's our house. We've got a bunch of bush we've got to bring to the dump. My legs are burning. Oh, I'm getting cramp. Okay, I'll stop the video. Oh, I don't know if it stopped.